you've touched on something which is very interesting, which is the economics of Lean. And I'm, as an economics graduate, I want to really touch on that. But before we dig deeper on this, as we have like lots of different applications of Lean, such as Lean healthcare, Lean services, and so on, I would like you to explain a little bit better, in your vision, what is Lean accounting and what does a Lean accounting system looks like. And I know you've created a variation of the value stream, which is the financial value stream. I don't know if this is exactly the name, but I really like that. And I think that if we go over this is going to be nice, where you explore the different steps or the different principles of Lean applied to the financial world. I think this will add a lot of value to our audience.
So there's two parts to Lean accounting. One is incorporating Lean practices in the accounting function. So how do we put in pull systems, visual management? How do we make improvements to accounting processes in order to serve our customers better? That's one piece. The other piece is a Lean management accounting system. And management accounting systems are it's the internal information that a company uses to understand and control operations, and also how do you make decisions that are aligned with the strategy. And so because Lean is a new strategy, the management accounting system must change to be relevant to the way Lean works. So those are the two pieces. Now, you hear some people, like Jerry Solomon, he says Lean accounting is Lean practices in accounting, and accounting for Lean is the management accounting system. So there's different ways you look at it, but it's really those two pieces. And the management accounting system is really what's necessary to begin working on early in the Lean journey to make sure that the organization has the relevant, reliable information. As I said, you see operating improvements, and most current management accounting systems, they don't measure those operating improvements. So people want to know, hey, what kind of progress are we making? Well, if you have a Lean management accounting system, you'll see that progress. And how do you make decisions? Because Lean creates capacity. You eliminate waste, you create capacity. It's how a company decides to use that capacity that drives the financial success. So you need numbers behind all this. And that's what Lean management accounting is about.